Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the RORRY 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. And this charger works with iPhones that support MagSafe or wireless charging, and Android devices that support wireless charging via a included magnetic ring that you can attach to your device or case. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone, but again, it will work with other devices via the magnetic adhesive ring that you can use to attach it to other devices. So I already took it out of the box and I've been testing it out, and this is what it looks like right here. So very cool little product. It's got a little feature on the back here which I will tell you about here in a second, but let's take out my iPhone 13 mini here, and I'm just going to stick it to the back. It's of course not plugged in right now. It does plug in via a USB-C cable, but you have this nice little flip out piece right here, so if you want to use it as a stand, you can do that. It does kind of rock like that a little bit when it's that way, but if you put it around, you can stand it up like this. So of course your phone can be charging and standing up on your desk at the same time. If you rotate it right, I'm pretty sure you can get it to, there we go, not rock around. So you can stand your phone up like that. Of course, with iOS 17 coming up, this does support the new iOS 17 standby mode, so you can do that when you're wireless charging. Have it on your nightstand and have that standby mode up there. It also works if you want to leave it on your phone. You can use this as a little ring to hold your phone. So of course I wouldn't support the full weight of the phone, all the time, bouncing it up and down. But of course, if it's just like this, you can use it as a little extra support to hold your device. So that is very cool. And then right here, I don't have my Apple Watch with me right now, but the back piece right here is actually an Apple Watch charger. So say you're out on a trip or something like that, you forget your Apple Watch charger or you don't want to bring that much with you, you can plug this thing in. It can be MagSafe charging your phone on one side, and then you can put your Apple Watch on the back on the other side, and it will charge your watch and your phone at the same time. And they do recommend you use a USB-C, or not USB-C, a USB 20 watt adapter, so you get the full 15 watt MagSafe charging, as well as you have some wattage for your Apple Watch here on the back. So that is the RORRY 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. Again, it will work with Android devices, so if you need to put it on your Android device, you can just put that magnetic ring on the back of your phone or case and charge it that way. It also works with AirPods, and if you have the AirPods Pro Gen 2, they charge with the Apple Watch charger as well, so you can use this side and charge your phone on the other side at the same time. So very nice product there. I will leave this down in the link down in the description to where you can pick one up on Amazon. They are relatively cheap, and they are a very nice little handy product to have around. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.